Once you've uploaded images of your inventory, you can create inventory types and inventory items in your RW Elephant account. Navigate to the inventory section of your account by clicking on the chair in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on the plus sign at the bottom of the inventory type section on the left-hand side of the screen. Double-click on the new type to rename the inventory types. Perhaps you'll use chairs, tables, and linens, or whatever categories your rental company uses. You can create whatever inventory types fit your business. Cool Rentals happens to rent chairs, couches, and stools, so we'll start there. Once you've created your inventory types, you can create your first inventory item. Click on the inventory type for the item you're going to create. Then click on the plus sign in the inventory items column, which is the second column from the left. On the lower right part of the screen, click on the edit button. We'll have to scroll down a little bit to see it. And then start entering information about the inventory item. From the photo panel on the left, choose the picture of the item you're creating. We'll drag and drop it to the box on the right. Repeat for your second, third, and fourth image. Name your item with a unique name. The name will show up on your online inventory gallery and your proposal, so you'll want it to be something that your customers will understand. We suggest Jane Wood Chair rather than Chair 0908. We're going to call this item the Dumbo Beach Chair. Next, you'll enter the quantity. In RW Elephant, we keep track of your inventory as you buy, sell, damage out, or otherwise get rid of it. This process is called a quantity change event. When you're initially entering your inventory, you'll click on the New Quantity Change button. Enter the acquisition date, the quantity you purchased, the acquisition cost, and then click Enter Quantity Change. Be sure that you're including the acquisition cost per piece here. For instance, if you purchased 50 items for a total of $500, you would enter a quantity of 50 and a cost of 10 because you paid $10 for each of the 50 pieces. If you make a mistake while adding the quantity here, you can click on the Quantity Change Events tab at the top of your screen. Click on the event and then double-click on the text that you wish to edit. For instance, if you entered 50 but you meant to enter 40, you can edit it and then tap your Enter key to save the change. If you sell an item, lose it, or need to remove it for some other reason in the future, you can do that by creating a new change event, but we'll go over that in more detail in the Removing Inventory Items video. After you've entered your quantity, you can enter the rest of the information about your item. Replacement cost is for the amount that you would have to pay to get one more piece. Perhaps you would be paying $12 even though we originally bought them for $10 each. The rental price is the price you'll rent one item for. We're going to rent our items for $3 each. The next field is for the predicted number of uses. You may have a formula or may just guess, but this field is for the number of times you think you can rent out each piece before it has to be replaced or removed. This will help you plan the life cycle of your inventory with your accountant. You can also view our blog post on the lifespan of your rental inventory for more details. We're going to guess it can be rented 10 times before it has to be replaced. You can keep track of the vendor you purchased the piece from in your origin field. Add dimensions for the items as well. The dimension fields do not display a unit, but we suggest that whatever you choose, you're consistent. If you choose inches, you should enter all your dimensions in inches, rather than switch back and forth to feet or centimeters for different items. Use the description field to enter text that will show up in your public inventory gallery. This text will be seen by your customers, so you want it to match your marketing and branding style. Don't waste the opportunity to make great product descriptions for your rental inventory here. One of the greatest features of RW Elephant is the ability to search by inventory tags. Your customers can click on a tag like blue or beach and see all of the items that fit that tag. Include as many tags as you'd like, but remember the tags are most helpful if you have multiple items with the same tag, so be consistent in your spelling and word choice. If you would like to save information about your item that you don't want your customer to see, you can use the internal note field. You might include information on where the item is located in the warehouse or how to pack it when shipping. You can include that type of information in this internal note section. There are several tick boxes you'll want to attend to for your inventory item as well. For typical inventory items, pay attention to the Display in Public Gallery box and the Item is Taxable box. Tick or untick accordingly. We'll explain the other boxes in the video about working with fees. When you're all done, click the Save button and your inventory item will be successfully added to your RW Elephant account. We hope you'll check out the other resources we have available at RW Elephant. Visit the website at rwelephant.com. Check out the help site for forums, community interaction, and answers to your questions on the spot. And you can also view the next video to get the most out of your RW Elephant account.